In today's video, I'm going to teach you Inset like a pro in Blender. We'll turn simple geometry into clean panel lines and intricate detail using the Inset tool and a few key options that make the difference between messy and professional results. Start by jumping into edit mode and switch to face selection so you can choose the areas you want to detail. With your faces selected, press I to activate Inset, then move your mouse to set the inset width. Click to confirm. This creates a new loop around your selection and is the foundation for panel cuts, vents, and layered plating. If you want precision, type a number while dragging to set an exact offset. While you're still adjusting the inset, hold Ctrl and drag to control the depth parameter interactively. Depth adds a subtle step along the normals of the faces, which is perfect for giving your insets a slight recess or raised lip without switching tools. The snapping you get with Ctrl helps you land on consistent, repeatable values. For selections containing multiple faces, double tap I to run inset individual. Instead of merging everything into one border, each face gets its own inset, maintaining even spacing across the selection. This is ideal for grills, vents, or repeated panel motifs. Keep an eye on the operator options, which you can see in the lower left or by pressing F9 right after the action. Offset has two useful modes, even and relative. Even tries to preserve a consistent visual thickness regardless of the polygon's shape, while relative scales the inset based on the original face size. If your spacing looks irregular, switch to even. If you want proportional results, use relative. When working on meshes with a mirror modifier or open borders, toggle boundary. This tells the Inset tool how to treat edges at the borders and along mirror seams, helping prevent gaps or distortions where your model is open or symmetrical. On curved surfaces, enable edge rail for flatter, tidier results. Edge rail guides the inset to follow the surrounding topology, reducing waviness and keeping the new loops visually straight relative to the surface flow. If the faces you're insetting aren't perfectly planar, polish the result with Alt+S, also known as shrink/fatten. This moves the selected geometry along its normals, letting you nudge the inset in or out to fix shading issues or unify depth across uneven areas. Practice combining these options as you work. Mastering Inset plus these targeted controls lets you build clean, repeatable panel lines and sophisticated details quickly and confidently.